Hello! Welcome to video 11. You've made it to 11 days. It's almost 14. It's almost 2 weeks of Python. So in this video, we're going to talk about uniques. So looking for unique values and counting them. And membership, which is a tricky name for is it in there? So I suppose they need it for academic purposes or anything or something like that. But anyway, kick off as usual. Import pandas, import your data set, info, description, head, and then let's go into unique values. Again, super short video, but very important. So maybe, like we have with play data, we want to see how many unique values we have in the category column. So what we do is we look up the category column, if I can say that word properly, and we do dot unique. Super easy. There we go. An array of all the unique values that we have. So that was very, very easy. Let's do the same, but let's use a call called nUnique. And the N stands for number, and it's going to give us the number of uniques. So it's 48. So we have 48 categories, and there's the names of all the 48 categories. Maybe we want to do a count on it, right? We want to see the number of occurrences for the unique values that we have. We call the data frame play data category, and then we do value counts. Value counts only works on series of data. You just can't do it on a full data frame. There we go. So business 24,000, sorry, 22,000 in education. So very, very handy, right? You can then use this data to draw graphs if you need to show it to people. So that's how you find your unique values. That's how you count them. And then that's how you count the occurrences of unique values. You can see how useful this would be if you were looking at keywords, for example. It'd be a good way to get a breakdown of your keywords. Next thing we're going to do is membership, or otherwise known as is in. So is this in this data frame or in this series? And the best way to do this, there's a number of ways of doing this. There's some lazy ways, which historically I used to use because I was just trying to get the simplest answer out there. But the best way to do is to create a thing called a mask. So we're creating mask as a new object. So playdata.category is in, and we're looking for tools. So is tools in categories. We've created a mask. Let's look at the mask. If we go back up here, we'll see tools is here, right? And we can see here our mask is seeing that it's true. So tools is there, but for the rest of them it's false. The rest of the visible ones it's false. And to apply that mask, we do play data, then square brackets, mask inside the square bracket. And it will give us a data frame. See how fast that was? Of only the data with tools in it. So simple, great way of filtering things out. It's just another form of filter technically, but it's a very fast form of filter. And now we're only looking at the data with tools in it. So that is unique values and memberships. And if you found it useful, like the video, comment, ask me questions if you need help or you want to query something that I did. Share, subscribe, just support the community, because the more of us that find this, the more of us we can kind of work together and help learn this amazing skill that will keep us in jobs for a few years. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you in video 12. Ciao for now.